I want 2 people. Now, let's continue. And we will put it inside our basket. You have to make a beautiful painting of a flower. First,
Abracadabra, I will show you magic!
hi everyone, I'm Jamal, and we are going to be going on an awesome adventure exploring for bugs and insects. Let's go! We're on a hike to find bugs and insects. We're on a hike to find bugs and insects. We're on a hike to find bugs and insects. So, look, there's a lot of sand over there. Let's continue. I'm on a hike with you for us to find bugs and insects. Bugs. I'm on a hike with you to find bugs and insects. So I'm going to show you the materials you're going to need that's going to help you in the forest. Giant bug catcher, and you need holes in it to keep it breathing. You can fit a lot of it there. Then you will need this. It's basically the same thing except smaller and separator. This bug tongue, it will look like it looks like scissors with these at the end. Also, oxygen holes, you need that. A flashlight, but we don't need that right now, so we'll put that onto the side. We have tweezers to put things in the big and small bug catcher. Then we have a magnifying glass, and we have the butterfly net, the compass, and then we have our whistle. In case you get lost, you can blow the whistle so somebody can hear you and they can help you. Binoculars to help you see really close. Now I'm going to take a scoop of ants. I don't want it too big. Now, before they can get out, I'm going to put on the lid again. If you find a rock like this, it's going to be good because you're going to find insects under it. If it's heavy, you try to lift it and put a stick under it. So as you can see, there is a roly-poly that I found. The roly-poly is right there. The roly-poly is right there. The purpose of a roly-poly is that they serve as decomposers. That means they break decaying materials through eating it. I found a worm, guys. I'll put it in here. Now, I'll put the lid on. And as you can see, this has a magnifying glass, so we can see the worm closely. If you want, you can. I found a black cricket, and it stands for the Black Batman. A black cricket can leap 2 feet, and believe it or not, it has no lungs. Cricket. Also, some people say about it, it's a sample of good luck. As you can see I'm in a forest and there are many trees, and those many trees are very tall. And what type of forest? Temperate forest. A temperate forest means the forest can see all 4 seasons. I'll give you an example of 2 seasons. In the fall, the leaves change colors. Spring, the leaves fall. I'm kidding. It's the other way around. Oh, that's my talk. Sorry. Can we try again?